Guys, hello, and I'm just gonna start videos, but I just gonna start vlogging now. And by the way, just create. So we're gonna start hardcore with multiple mods. And this, by the way, is free. You can clearly see that free. And you're gonna use the most easiest. By the way, like and subscribe. We just need to little bit of those. And this thing is very, I very like it. And we just need two more. Two more. No, three. I not very remember the hard mods, but I remembered. By the way, that man from the fog is free, also free. And I select him to spawn in the day and night. So that's gonna be fun. And all of them is here. Go. Wait. Now. So it glitch. Yeah, probably. Currently we need this. Sorry guys, but this mod is also free. That this is the, you can see some of them is like fake because it's not gonna need money because we're poor. And you see, this is hardcore. And first episode, go create. This is guys the post episode of my channel. You can see this is the post. Great, you can even see it. I heard there's a new item here. When I update it, I just previously update this, so things, something's gonna be wrappable. This is still survive. Like we're gonna survive long. So I'm planning to make a series of this. So I'm gonna get more and more more and more upload. So let's up to the game, I guess. It's not loading yet. This is taking too long. By the way, I not too great of this, so I might even die in the first day. So just to be sure, this series, I don't know if this gonna be long or short, but the challenge is if I die, it stop. If I survive, it don't. So let's see. By the way, this is my first upload in this channel. So I not yet know everything yet, but I knew from watching some horror games to yan, very fun. Okay, you can see the top. This is a hardcore. I kind of know what to do. Try not to die. So, apparently, my biggest, yung pinaka-paborito kong vlogger is Flame Frogs, Wembo, and sa horror games naman, Puff. Search if you want to watch his video, but I very like his video. Oh, I not add the rain mode, so this is gonna take a while. But that's alright. Hey, yeah. Oh. Guys, and we're gonna need this. Just watch. Hi chicken, your meat is full. Just keep it. I cannot do that. So I don't think there's done yet. Pero guys, pinaka gusto ko yung pag sa Minecraft, pala tayong gaming mode. So let's just do that because. By the way, just like and subscribe and I'll be happy. Like please. Where I need it. Oh. The horror mods pa lang nilagay ko guys. One of them is already can span up the pwede sila mag-span sa day 1 day 6. Kailangan guys agad natin ang no. Let's just this is nice. So now we're gonna build the house. May course na ganda. Like and subscribe. Videos like this. I'm just starting guys. I can have a long video. Right? Nasa nga pala ako kasi I don't have computers. So you can see na naglalaro ako guys. Doors? Even data? Yes, still data. We have more space now, so dito base natin guys. Katakot naman yun. Kung may nakikita kayong kakaiba guys, sabihin nyo. Nope. Teka. No. Ouch. Jump. Oh. No. Safe? Total safe down. Almost died. And the first time that's my first night. Pag naggabi na guys, tapos no, pag kasunod na nun, I guess, this is the time. Yeah. Totally long. This video is gonna be long. Total. Kasi guys, magiging mahaba kasi ala akong editor. So, I cannot edit like the rest. And we're just starting. So, ano yun? Guys, I guess this is for today. Pero, I'm gonna make longer videos when I upload this. So, don't be so like and subscribe to this channel para mabilis and mas matagal yung video ko. Kasi guys, ewan ko kung so, wait lang. So, guys, may tumatawag sa akin guys. So, think this is the end of my channel. Okay. Bye. I'm too scared to get it outside guys. Bye.